Introducing the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the latest flagship drone from DJI. Here's what we know so far. A powerful 4/3-inch CMOS sensor with 100 megapixel resolution, 6K video at 60 frames per second, and 14 stops of dynamic range. A stepless electronic ND filter, dual native ISO, and improved slow motion with 4K at 120 frames per second. Extended flight time up to 52 minutes with a 95.3 watt-hour battery and a massive 40-kilometer range using the O4 Plus video transmission system. Advanced features like RTK support for precision flying, a Cine Premium Edition with a 2TB SSD, and a redesigned gimbal with a wide tilt range. Stay tuned for more updates on this game-changing drone from DJI.